In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix chat from your website. Whether you're looking to simplify your site or just don't find the chat feature necessary anymore, I'll guide you through the process in an easy and straightforward way. To begin, the first thing we need to do is log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials to get signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can see an overview of your sites. This is your command center for all things Wix and the starting point for making any changes to your site. Next, navigate your way to the website editor. You can do this by selecting the website you wish to edit from your dashboard. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be launched into the editor. The editor is the space where all the magic happens. It's where you can drag, drop, edit, and customize everything that's visible on your site. Here, your task is to find the Wix chat feature. The chat feature is typically represented by a chat icon or box and is usually found toward the lower part of the screen, but its exact location can vary depending on your site's layout. Once you've located the chat icon or box within the editor, click on it. Upon selecting it, you should see a few options or a small toolbar that allows you to manage the element. If you're sure you want to remove it, simply press the delete key on your keyboard or look for a trash can or delete option within the toolbar, which often appears around the element. At this point, you might be thinking you're finished, but there is one more crucial step to ensure that the changes take effect on your live website. Once you've deleted the chat feature, you'll need to publish your website. Publishing is the process that saves and applies all current changes to your live site, letting your visitors enjoy the updated version. So, head on over to the top right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. By doing this, you are effectively updating your site without the chat feature. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Wix chat from your site. This straightforward method ensures that your site's interface remains clean and distraction-free. For those who no longer need a direct chat feature with visitors, this solution can also lead to a more streamlined user experience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you now feel confident making changes to your own Wix site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your website with Wix.